Mini-split heating and cooling systems offer users an energy-efficient way to cool their homes and businesses with a ductless system. To power these unique units, Genesis Cable offers two types of cables: tray cable and Spinalcord. As a contractor or installer, it's critical to understand how these systems operate, as well as the rules governing these installations. Today, we'll explore how cable drives mini-split system performance, as well as the code you need to know as an electrical contractor. Mini-split systems are not simply plug-and-play. These systems contain outdoor condensers and compressors that power indoor air handling units. Therefore, you need a cable that can transmit both power and communication signals between the two. The installation of these mini-split cables is governed by a national code that you must follow to ensure the safety of end users. The National Electric Code is published by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. This code provides a benchmark for safe electrical design, installation, and inspection to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The NEC is updated every 3 years based upon public input, but it's up to individual states to adopt the latest edition of the code. The most notable recent revision for mini-split cable installers was the 2017 update to Article 336. This changed the way contractors could install tray cable in residential applications. Previously, the NEC required that tray cables installed in-wall must be contained in cable trays or raceways. The update clarified rules for in-wall use, allowing for installation of properly listed tray cables in walls with or without conduit in single or dual-family dwellings. Contractors in states that have adopted the 2017 changes should look for cables surface mark type TC ERJP. These cables are properly listed for installation in wall without conduit. However, commercial installations are not covered by the 2017 changes. If installing mini-split cable in a riser or plenum space, you must still install cables with conduit. With the outdoor element of mini-split systems, it's also important to understand the ratings, listings, and features critical to ensuring your cable stands up to extreme weather conditions. We'll explore that later on. Genesis Cable's mini-split tray cable and Spinalcord give you the versatility and flexibility you need to properly install systems in any state, regardless of current code. Whether you need to install your cable with or without conduit, choose Genesis mini-split cable, the best value for your cable investment. You can count on it.